In Word, select the Reference tab to find the new Researcher tool. Let's say I'm looking for information on the Apollo space program for my paper. This looks right. Here's the overview of the program along with research materials and images. But I can also get structure here. I select the plus sign and can add that part to my paper. I can change these terms, but this gives me a way to build my paper, the background, the spacecraft, the astronauts. Let's dig into the astronauts and these 4 sources. Here's a NASA website on the missions, and it opens right in Word. Look at all this information on each flight. Now, I wouldn't normally cite this text, but let me as an example. If I click on the text, Researcher allows me to add it, plus cite where the information came from. And this citation is going to be added automatically to my bibliography whenever I'm ready to create one.